Alright guys, here goes a little update on construction on the house. Um, it's now getting warm now, and we're going to be picking up with the backyard pretty soon. As you can see, last update that Ronnie did a great job in completing the house. Right now we're waiting for my masonry guy, Mattia, to come and finish the backyard. So I'll pick up the whole video log of my improvement when this construction begins. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be updating my. I'm gonna be installing the patio door insect screen now. Being that it's starting to get warm, and so I'm gonna be installing on my new door here, and I have an additional one down there. So, just a quick video on how it's done, and for those who are interested who might be getting the same type of doors, we should look out for and how it's done and what have you, and just give you just a close-up of my opinion of the doors. To tell you the truth, I am very happy with these doors. They're very well made. I'm very satisfied with them. The installation by Ronnie was very good. As you can see, he put a white kickboard in the bottom. The accents, the detail to it. Again, very reasonable price, I believe. Not that it's not cheap, but I don't think it was that expensive either. I'll include the model number and the style that in my in the video below. If you're interested on trying to get this type of doors, but I'm very satisfied with them. So little time lapse just to throw some content up to see what you guys, how things come along here, and just a little close up on the doors. The Andersen, very well made. This is the construction of it. Well insulated, I believe. I'm very happy with it. I really, at this present time, it's only been a few months I'm having it installed, but really no issues at all with them at all. So just a closer look on it. All right, and that's it, guys. All right, so that's it. Just a closer look at it. Well made. If interested, I would recommend it. All right, so let me install this here, and that'll be it. Any questions, any comments, just leave it below, and I'll try to get back to you. All right, later. Okay, I just want to give you a quick look, close up of the screen, and I'll let you know. It's very solid. I mean, good heavy aluminum, not flimsy. Like if you hold it up, there's a little bow in some screens. This one does not bow at all. So this is very well made. As you can see, you got the little, I don't know what you call this. I don't know what this is called. But the little, what's in it, it goes inside to keep the bugs out. As you can see here in the bottom of it, it has wheels right here to fit in the track of your door. And up here is another wheel track, if you can see right there. All right, right there. Yeah, we're going down there. All right, so it's a little close up on the screen. And again, it's gonna go into my door here, and there's a track right there. And excuse me, up here, there's another track up in here. So, that's what it is. I'm gonna have to install the little brackets. So let me get that done first before I get it installed. So I just want to give you a little close up on how it looks. Alright guys, alright. The direction says we should put the screen in first before we put the door handles in. So again, I'm gonna come over here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the screen up in the tracks, like so. Alright? You're gonna lift up, and then you're gonna drop it into the track. That's it. It's that simple. And it slides in and out. That's simple. Nothing to lift at all. You go up, slide up, and that's it. And then you just come back and install your hardware. So let me take the camera from my little son here. Thank you, son.
Welcome.
All right, guys. So I just want to give it to you. And as you can see, like again, it goes up in the little track here area. The little wheels will follow that track. Come down, it'll follow this track right here. And that's it. And that's it, guys. That's simple as can be. So right now I'm just going to install the hardware, and tell you the truth, it's very well made. I don't know why I got a problem saying that. So just want to give you a close up of how this door looks with the screen on. I highly recommend if you consider upgrading your doors at your home. All right, guys. Here you got the handles for your screen door. Now, depending on how you have it, what type of each door, if it goes left or right, this would correspond to the hose. So I can show you guys. On your door here, all right, because you're gonna have two holes, one here and one there. In this case, the bigger one is gonna go, of course, this is your interior part, and this is the exterior handle. And again, it's very simple. Directions are straightforward. This is gonna go here. So this one goes indoors, and this one gonna go outdoors. And the little nameplate that's over there that I showed, that's gonna fill up this hole right here. All right. So depending on how you can have a open to the left or right. So I'm not gonna show that. I just want to show that little update, how it's installed, and that's that. So I'll come back to it once I got the handle installed and show you the final product. Okay, guys, I just want to give a quick tip real quick. I just noticed when you install the faceplate first, right here on wherever side before you install the screen door, because it turns out if you don't do that and you put it in, you're not going to be able to screw in the screws on the other side. As you can see, it's butted against. So it's not a big deal. I already put this one on, and it's easy to take off. But to avoid that, install this nameplate first with the screws they provide in first. All right, because now I'm gonna have to take this off and put this on, which is not a big deal, but just avoid that. Install this first, then install it, then you can put the handle in afterwards, because you're able to get to it. So right now I'm not able to get to it, so I'm gonna have to take the screen door off and install the nameplate. So that's a little something, a little gotcha on installing this door. All right, they tell you to install it first, then put the plates on, but you can't do it. So install this part first. Once you get this part in, then you can install the door, and then you can do the handle next if you choose to, or just do it all at the same time before you even put the door in, whatever you prefer. So just want to give that little tip in installing the screen door. All right, guys, here it goes, installed very easily. You can see fits very nicely. Now, there's also an update, not an update, but if you're having trouble with it sliding or it seems like it's bottoming out, they said there's a screw right here that allows you to raise or lower the screen on the track. So if it seems like it's dragging, it's not moving freely, adjust it right here, and that'll adjust your screen up and down so it'll ride on this track freely. Mine's is pretty good out of the box, so I'm happy on how it feels. If I need to go back, I'll readjust it. But yeah, that's it, guys. It's very simple to install. And again, this door, I'm very happy on the construction of it, the appearance of it. It's a very nice door. My wife did a good job in selecting this door and picking it out, and for how it fits on our house. So again, quick update, little close up on the features of this patio door from Andersen. So again, it's just a little something I'm adding to the video log on the construction of my house. So if you like more updates, subscribe, thumbs up, and that's it, guys. Be safe, be well.